In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use a free AI program to create custom images for your Cricut projects. First, go to your search engine and search for Imagine Art and click on the link. I also have the link in the description of this video. On the top right-hand corner, click Sign In. If this is your first time, create an account with your basic information. This is free. If you are returning, then go ahead and enter your sign-in information so you can log in. Once the home page opens, then click the Generate Art button. This is what the home page looks like. This program has free features, but you are limited. I am going to show you how to use this program using the free features. You can see on this side it has many different options. Models. The ones without the crown are free. Next is the art styles. They seem to be adding new styles frequently. I am going to be using Disney style for this image. It is also important to note that when you are using this without upgrading, you are limited to 20 images per 24 hours. You are able to enter negative prompts if you want the image to not include things. The rest of the settings are not able to be altered using the free version at this time. Now I am going to go to the bottom and type in Christmas Mickey kissing Minnie under the mistletoe. Then click Generate. As you can see, Mickey has many extra hands and fingers, so I'm going to add under the negative prompt and try again. Each image takes a few moments, so be patient. This one is great. I'm going to click on the Download Image button on the top here to use this for my project. I have so much fun with this program. I encourage you to explore all the different styles and create your own perfect projects. It is not perfect, but is constantly improving. Now we need to get these images uploaded into Cricut Design Space. Now open Cricut Design Space and start a new project. Click on Upload and find your image. I like to click Complex, then Continue. You can crop the image if you choose. When using Imagine Art, it does download the watermark onto the image. Some images you can crop this out. In this case, it won't matter because it will be really difficult to see. Do the same process for as many images as you wish to use, and then add them all to your canvas. Now for the gift tags. I chose the rounded corner rectangle. Unlock the size icon and make the rectangle to the shape and size that you choose. I then changed the color of the background so you can see it better to light gray. Next, I need to add the text. I typed to and from and aligned it from center to left. Now I found a text that I liked. Size your text to your liking, leaving room for the image on one side. Before you duplicate this, you want to make sure you click on Flatten on the bottom. This will make the image where it will print the words and cut out the rectangle only. Now I duplicated it based on how many images that I have. Now take your first image and size it appropriately. I made note on how big I made my image and sized the rest to be identical to the first. Then I centered each image onto the square. I placed each rectangle as close together as possible, where it can still have space to cut each rectangle out. Once I made the first row, I highlighted the entire row and duplicated it twice, making 3 rows altogether. I placed each row as close as possible to the next. Once the placement is complete, I like to attach the entire group of tags. This will keep them from being rearranged when you go to cut them out. I also want to flatten everything once again so that the image and writing are printed instead of trying to cut out each image. If you notice a red symbol over here, this means that your image is too big to print and cut. They now have the option of auto resize. It will automatically make the image the correct size to be able to print and cut. I always feel like print and cut leads to a lot of wasted materials. At this time, there is not a lot we can do about that. Now you're ready to make it. Connect your Cricut to your computer or device. The first step is to print your stickers. I chose to use sticker paper for the ease of it, but you can also use printable vinyl or just regular paper and tape them if needed. Select Send to Printer and choose your printer. I toggle Bleed off since they are just cutting out the rectangle. Bleed allows your sticker to not have a white border. Next, I like to select Use System Dialog so that I can make sure I have a quality print job. Then I minimize the Cricut design space and make sure my printer is selected, along with Media Quality. I like to choose Photo Paper Matte Finish for my stickers. This gives me the best quality without any white lines. Then I select Print. Once my sticker has printed, now I need to cut them out with my Cricut. Select your material. In my case, I select sticker paper and continue. It is important to make sure that your paper is straight on the cutting mat. Your Cricut reads the black lines to make sure that it gets the cut correctly. Once my paper is loaded, continue and hit the triangle to start cutting. This takes a little bit of time to read the lines and cut, but by the end, you'll have beautiful custom tags that you can make for any occasion. Thank you for watching.